Risk is a combination of how many things? Two things. One is vulnerability, the other is threat. Clear? Vulnerability is nothing but weakness in a device or network. Clear? Vulnerability is what? It is nothing but weakness in a device or a network. Sir, threat means what? Threat is nothing but expected, I repeat, threat is nothing but expected exploitation of vulnerability. I repeat, risk is a combination of how many things? Two things. One is vulnerability, the other is threat. Sir, vulnerability means what? Weakness in a device or a network. My device is very weak or my network is very weak. That is called what? Vulnerability. Someone may exploit your vulnerability. Someone may not exploit your vulnerability. That is actual exploitation or expected exploitation. Your exploitation of vulnerability is called as what? Threat. Let us take one simple example. This laptop I keep as it is without locking it, because if I lock, password will be there. By mistake, I forgot to lock this laptop when I go down. Now tell, is there any weakness in this laptop now? Yes, but there is no pin or a password right now. Clear? That is called what? Weakness in a device. Right? So I did not lock this laptop with a password or a pin and I left it as it is, which is nothing but weakness in a device. In simple words, it is vulnerability. Will now tell me, out of 6 people, how many of you will come here? How many of you will come here and try to use this laptop? 1. All, see, he will come, 100% sure. All of you might come, might not come. He is exploiting the weakness in my laptop. I repeat, he is exploiting the weakness in my laptop. What is that called? Threat. Clear? Understood? I am having a weak device. That is called what? Vulnerability. Someone is trying to gain access. What you are doing? You are breaching that vulnerability. One more example. Let us take an example of network. What I have done, I removed the password and I switched on the hotspot. Now I removed the password from my hotspot and I switched on the hotspot. My network without my permission now, unless and until password is there. That is a weak device or a weak network? Weak network. That weak network is called what? Vulnerability. Clear? Someone without my permission is accessing my network only. Why? Because it is not having a password. That is called what? Threat. Clear? Understood? So whenever my network is weak, that is vulnerable we call. Let us say, for example, your immunity is weak. You are vulnerable to diseases. My device is weak. My network is weak. It is prone to hacking. Clear? Next. Now, if someone is exploiting, very good. Now, let us say you did not prepare for EI's exam. I repeat, you did not prepare for controls. Let us say I told you controls so minimum 18, risk and controls 18 marks ka rehta. All chapters you take, risk and controls will be for 18 marks in total. It might be the risk or it might be control or it might be combination. Something will come for 18 marks in risk and controls. You did not study risk and controls topic which comes for around 18 marks in exam. Now tell, what is it? No, it is not risk. It is called vulnerability. Why? Because if that topic, now what happens? You did not study, that is your weakness. Sir, your weakness is what? Not studying controls. Now what will ICI do? That only it will give in exam. If the same topic, what you have skipped in studies, the same topic is coming in examination. It is called what? Threat. Why? ICAI is exploiting your weakness by giving the same topic in exam. That is called what? Threat. Sir, when threat exploits a vulnerability, it will result into what? Risk. When threat exploits a vulnerability, it results into risk, which will always have what? Negative impact. Understood? Now, remember one thing, only vulnerability will never be a risk. Only threat can never be a risk. I repeat, only vulnerability or only threat will never result into any risk. A combination of vulnerability plus threat is considered as what? Risk. Simple. Let us take an example. You did not study controls topic in examination. Who is your best friend here? Yahan par. Okay. Wait, Vipul. Now what happened? Vipul is sitting behind you. He studied controls, you did not study. What is your weakness? Your weakness is that you did not study controls topic. That is called what? Vulnerability. But since vulnerability has come in examination, since that topic has come in examination, what you are doing here? You are copying from your friend and writing. Vulnerability is there, but is there any threat of losing marks? No. So is it a risk? No. I had overcome that vulnerability by copying the answers from my friend. Simple. So vulnerability is there? Yes. But is threat there? No. One more example. Will it result into risk? No. Why? Both vulnerability and threat should be there in order to result in what? Risk. Let us take one more example. Sir, you did not study controls. You did not study controls. Sir, and controls topic itself has not come in exam. Vulnerability is there that you did not study, but threat is not there. Why? It has not come in exam. Will it be considered as a risk? No. Clear? So point number 1, risk is a combination of how many things? 2 things. One is vulnerability, the other is threat. Clear? Vulnerability is what? Weakness in a device or a network. Sir, expected exploitation of a vulnerability is called what? Threat. Clear? Whenever a threat exploits a vulnerability, it results into what? Risk. And this risk will always have what? Negative. Can only vulnerability be considered as risk? Can only threat be considered as risk? No. Both vulnerability and threat should be together in order to be considered as a risk. Clear? Any doubts here in introduction? Now let us see the different types of risk what we have. I think this all we have completed, right? Ye to I told you that's not there. Now see here, how many types of risk are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So strategic risk is there, financial risk is there, regulatory is there, reputation is there, operation is there. See here. So risk is divided into how many types? Strategic. You can come to page number 10. Strategic, financial, operational, regulatory, and what? Reputational risk. Reputational risk. Clear? So these are the different types of risk which are there in any